Every year, billions of birds migrate thousands of miles to find food and warmth. But have you ever wondered how they navigate over such vast distances? How do they know where they're going? And how do they get there without getting lost? Well, it turns out that birds have some pretty incredible navigational skills. They use a combination of the sun and stars as natural compasses, landmarks like rivers, mountains, and coastlines to help them stay on track, and even the Earth's magnetic field to sense direction. Some species even memorize specific routes that they travel across generations. And young birds can migrate alone for the first time, proving that this navigational ability is instinctual and hardwired into their DNA. So let's take a closer look at how birds navigate when they migrate. The first thing that helps birds navigate is the sun and the stars. Just like us humans, birds use the sun to help them tell the time and the year. But they also use the stars to navigate. For example, some species of birds use the North Star, also known as Polaris, to help them keep track of their direction as they fly. By knowing where the North Star is in the sky, birds can maintain their course and avoid getting lost. The amazing thing is that birds can actually see the North Star even when it's cloudy, which is thanks to a special adaptation in their eyes. Their eyes are able to detect the faint glow of the star through clouds and keep it in view as they fly. This navigational ability is especially important during long flights, when the birds need to maintain their direction for extended periods of time, but the stars aren't the only celestial bodies that birds use to navigate. They also use the moon. By observing the moon's position in the sky, birds can determine their latitude, or how far north or south they are from the equator. This is especially useful when migrating over large bodies of water, such as oceans, where there are few landmarks to help guide them. In addition to using the sun and stars, birds also rely on landmarks to help them stay on track. For example, many species of birds will follow rivers, mountains, and coastlines to help them maintain their course. This is especially useful when migrating over land, where there are more visual cues to help guide them. Landmarks are especially important when weather conditions are poor, such as during storms or fog, when birds may not be able to use the sun or stars to navigate. In these situations, birds may rely solely on landmarks to help them stay on course. Some species of birds even memorize specific routes that they travel each year. For example, the Arctic tern, which travels from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back again each year, is believed to memorize the route during its first migration. After that, the bird can navigate the route with ease, even if it's never flown it before. This navigational ability is made possible by a structure in the bird's brain called the hippocampus, which is responsible for the formation of new memories. But perhaps the most amazing thing about bird navigation is that young birds are able to migrate alone for the first time, without any adult guidance. This is made possible by an internal compass that is built into their bodies. This compass allows them to sense the Earth's magnetic field and use it to navigate. Young birds are able to use this internal compass to migrate successfully, even if they have never flown the route before. This suggests that the ability to navigate is instinctual and hardwired into their DNA. Overall, birds have some truly remarkable navigational skills. They use a combination of the sun, stars, landmarks, and their internal compass to navigate thousands of miles each year during migration. These skills are essential for their survival as they allow birds to find food in suitable habitats, avoid predators, and maintain their populations. So next time you see a bird flying overhead, remember that it's not just a feathered creature soaring through the sky. It's a highly skilled navigator capable of traveling over vast distances with ease, and it's all thanks to some amazing adaptations that have evolved over millions of years. Speaking of amazing adaptations, did you know that birds are actually dinosaurs? Well, if you want to learn more about how birds evolved from dinosaurs, you can check out the video. And if you want to support our channel, you can become a patron. With your support, we can keep making videos about the amazing world around us. So thank you for watching and learning with us.